Good morning, everybody. Today is on the 18th of August. 18th of August. Let's see what we did on Friday. We were looking for buys above this point, and we just had this candle pull up. Now, this candle didn't really close above like we'd have wanted. But then the next one just broke above and went all the way to take profit one, closed over there. So what we're doing with this, we're expecting this at least to either make a low to this point and then continue pushing up, or get rejected, flips back to green and start pushing up, and then we can enter an impulse entry the moment this body crosses above the previous week high. All right. So for the cells, we were looking for cells below this point. We did get them. We did get the cells, but then there was a lot of noise going on, consolidation until take profit one. So let's see what we have this week. What do we have this week? Monday. Nothing much on Monday. Tuesday, we have CPI on the CAD. Wednesday, we have monetary policy on the NZD, CPI on the GBP, and then we have FOMC minutes coming out on Wednesday, 9 p.m. Then we have the PMIs, Germany PMI and the French PMI coming out. Then we have the PMI on the USD on Thursday. And then Friday, the Fed chair, Jerome Powell, will be speaking, and that's going to make the whole market move. And then over the weekend, we have the Jackson Hole Symposium happening. All right. Christine Lagarde will also be speaking on Saturday, 7:25 p.m. So the weekend is going to be a very busy weekend. So expect on Monday as the market opens, it's going to be GBP bank holiday, but the rest expect that the market is going to gap up or gap down. All right. So there's going to be a gap as the market opens. All right. So let's remove every single thing and then we start a fresh new analysis all the way. Price action based on market structure. We start from monthly as we go down, down, down. There we go. Monthly high, monthly low. Over there. Go down to weekly. Do weekly high, weekly low. Over there, that one hasn't changed because none of the candles have broken the weekly high, weekly low, or monthly. Daily, still the same high. You over here. Oh, sorry. And the lows. Low. There's a new low on daily. Yeah, we can't ignore that. Okay, 4 hours. There we go. So the same lows, the 4 hours of the daily over there for the highs. This is the 4 hours high. Then 1 hour. Now into the 1 hour now, that's when we get this coming in. We have this support that was formed over here. Over here. And now we have where the market is. So we go down to 30 minutes and see what we can see. The support level over there. But we also have another area of interest over here. I'm not so sure if it's the one. Yes, it's over there where the market is right now. Previously, when you look on the left, it's an area of interest. And also, I can't fail to recognize this point. Wow, okay. This one's gonna make us go all the way down to, you know what? So the entry on 15 minutes could have made sense. Now, here's where I tell you now to utilize all the senses that you have. You know, see the way it is right now? If we have this 15 minutes kind of close like that, which is closing in the next, wow, 14 minutes. If this candle closes like that, then we can do the sales from the next candle and try to cover down this point. All right. So what I'm going to say is below the wick that is there already. That's where I'm gonna put potential sales from that point. It's gonna be a tight one. Stop loss above that point. First of all, we cover this take profit one over here, then two, then like that. Okay. So this is gonna be an impulse entry, of course, and this kind of closes like that. Down we go, we push, we jump in. For the buys, again, I'm gonna be taking buys above this week. Potential buys above here. The long position. All right. So that's what I'm gonna be looking at. Yeah. Uh, I would love to see this candle close. But again, the market is still pushing, so don't get tricked to get into the market. All right. Wait for it. Let's see how the market will behave today. Again, if this candle pushes down and closes somewhere like here, there's no need to take in a sell because already the market will already be gone. So let's see. Let's see. It's patience. We gotta wait and see how that market builds. Basically, what we're looking for is sells will be below. If this candle closes like that, below that candle, whatever it will close, that's when the sales are going to happen. But again, if it goes too much, around half of this price already, there's no need to take the sales. Okay. All right, guys, take care. Have a good one. Have a good, great week. Trade what you see, not what you think, and risk manage your accounts well. See you tomorrow. All right. Goodbye and have a good one. Bye bye, everybody.